Hi, this is a demonstration of a Carver SD A-360 multi-compact disc player. This is a 5-disc carousel unit. I have done some refurbishing on this. When I got it, the drawer wouldn't come out and the platter wouldn't turn, and the belts were bad, so I replaced the belts, and the unit wouldn't seek, but I also cleaned the laser on it. So everything is working great on this unit now, and it's plays pretty nice. So I'll start off with the let's see here. There is there's the model number and the serial number for reference. This unit is pretty straightforward. There are just your two analog outputs, RCA. It also has the optical output. The cap plug is still intact, and there's some remote control connections here. I don't know exactly what they're for. I don't have the manual for this unit, but I think for general use you probably wouldn't use that unless you had a specific need for it. Then there's just got your power cord connection. So yeah, there's not a whole lot of connections back here, real simple. The unit's in pretty good shape. There's definitely some scratches. You can see some scratches here, some scuffs and nicks and whatnot. There's one there, and around this side, pretty clean over here. You can see some scrapes here, but in general, it's in good condition. Carver put on these rack mount type of handles, I think, just to give it kind of a industrial or commercial look. That was pretty common for them in that era of this unit. Anyway, let's take a look and show you how it works. So it's all right. I turned it off there. Power it back up. You can hear the motor running. It's just turning the platter on the inside, checking to see if there's any CDs. Right now there's no CDs, so here I'll demonstrate the tray opens and closes fine. And it's got good strength. It's the belt's definitely not slipping anymore. It wouldn't even come out before. So let's load it up with some CDs here. And you do skip disc. Skip disc. Skip disc, and we got one more in there. And close it back up. Now I'll hit play, and I've got this running through this amplifier down here. I'm not gonna play these songs, but short pieces, so I don't get a copyright ding from YouTube. But get the seek function working great. It's fast. no problem. It'll go backwards. You can hit pause. You can also select what disk you want to read from. So right now it's on disk 3. If I hit disk number 1 here, and then I hit play, you'll hear the mechanism turn inside. And so there's that. Again, it seeks next song just fine. So what's cool about this unit too is, so there's a disc in there playing. Obviously there's all 5 of the discs are loaded. What you can do is while it's playing, you can actually open the door and you can swap out your discs and you can still play. And let me hit the play button here. See, I just hit pause. I don't want to play it too long, but yeah, it will still play because it loads that disc in the back and separates it from the platter so that the platter can move independently out, and you can change out discs while the other one is still playing, which is pretty cool. And then you can just change out whatever you want and then close it back up, and it'll continue play. I just can't play too much here without having YouTube ding me for a copyright infringement. So but yeah, we'll skip discs. Skip discs. It's pretty quick. I mean, for what it is, it's and we'll hit play. I think this is a quiet piece. Yeah, there we go. It was a Jimi Hendrix. So anyway, yeah, these are really basic. There's just, disc selection, pause, forward, reverse, skip to track, skip discs. It's pretty straightforward unit, but if you're looking for something simple and reliable of this era, this would be a nice unit. And that is really all I had. So thanks for viewing.